Students, last time we have seen law of conservation of momentum. Now what is law of conservation of momentum? If no external torque acts, then the angular momentum remains constant. Now we know L is equals to I
Omega.
where omega is the angular velocity. Now होता क्या है? देखो ऊपर, if L1 is equals to L2, then I1 omega 1 is equals to I2 omega 2, and we know that moment of inertia I is nothing but m r square. Now over here, if the mass of the body remains constant, then r1 square omega 1 is equals to r2 square omega 2, where r is nothing but the distance of the mass from axis of rotation. Now let's see how does the mass distribution affects the velocity. Now suppose I have this arrangement, you can see that the mass is towards the axis of rotation. Now if I try to balance it, होगा क्या? No. Now if I turn the axis of rotation this side, तो क्या होगा? It is getting balanced for a longer duration. वो क्यों? When I have it this way, तो क्या होगा? It tries, the angular velocity tries to bend it here. लेकिन when it is over here, the heavier mass is there, then the balancing becomes easier. So as the distance reduces, the angular velocity increases. So my mass is down, what is happening? The angular velocity is increasing because the distance of the mass has been reduced. The moment I flip it over, now my mass is away from the axis of rotation, so it is going to be what? Because the the distance is more, the angular velocity is less. So hence my law of conservation of momentum is proved. Thank you.